हेलो एवरीबॉडी, आप सभी का मेरे चैनल फिजिक्स की क्लास में स्वागत है। आज हम थर्मोडायनेमिक्स चैप्टर से चौका नंबर 6 के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे। वीडियो में सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है, उसके बाद उनके सॉल्यूशंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, n moles of a monoatomic gas is carried round the reversible rectangular cycle ABCDA as shown in diagram. The temperature at A is T by T dot. The thermodynamic efficiency of the cycle is 15%, 50%, 20% and 25%. A Carnot engine takes in 3000 kilocalorie of heat from a reservoir of at 627 degrees centigrade and gives a part of it to a sink at 27 degrees centigrade. The work done by the engine is 4.2 into 10 to the power 6, 8.4 into 10 to the power 6, 16.8 into 10 to the power 6 joule 0. Question number 3. The efficiency of a Carnot engine at a particular source and sink temperature is 1 by 2. When the sink temperature is reduced by 100 degrees centigrade, the engine efficiency becomes 2 by 3. Find the source temperature: 600 Kelvin, 300 Kelvin, 500 Kelvin, 250 Kelvin. Question number 4. An ideal refrigerator runs between minus 20 degrees centigrade, 23 degrees centigrade and 27 degrees centigrade. Find the heat rejected to the atmosphere for every joule of work input: 0.17 joule, 1.0 joule, 6 joule, 2.1 joule. Now solution: n moles of a monoatomic gas is carried round the reversible rectangular cycle ABCD as A as shown in the diagram. The temperature at A is T0. The thermodynamics efficiency of cycle is 15%, 50%, 20% and 25%. For monoatomic gas, gamma is equal to Cp by Cv is equal to 5 by 3 or Cp is equal to 5 by 3 Cv, and Cp minus Cv is equal to R or 5 by 3 Cv minus Cv is equal to R or 2 by 3 Cv is equal to R. Cv is equal to 3 by 2 R. Cp will be Cv plus R or 3 by 2 R plus R is equal to 5 by 2 R. Temperature at A is T0. This is Tb, this is Tc and this is Td. जो स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन होती है दैट इट गैस इक्वेशन, आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन, Pv इज इक्वल टू nRT और फॉर A, पॉइंट A, P0 V0 इज इक्वल टू n R T0. और P0 V0 upon n by n R is equal to T0. Equation number 1. 4 position B, pressure is 2P0 and volume is V0. 2P0 V0 is equal to nR TB और TB is equal to 2 into PV0 by NR. This is T0. So 2T0. For position C, pressure is 2P0 and volume is 2V0. So 2P0 here 2P dot into 2V dot is equal to mu N R Tc, or Tc is equal to 4 P dot V dot by NR. This is T dot, 4 T dot, and 4 D. P dot into V dot to 2V dot is equal to NRTD, or TD 2 into P dot V dot by NR, और 2T dot. तो टेम्परेचर हो जाते हैं, दिस इज 2T dot, यहाँ पर 4T dot एंड TD 2T dot. For process A to B, process A to B process में volume is constant, तो constant volume में heat energy supplied delta Q1 will be N CV delta T. N is N moles. N CV is 3R by 2 and delta T is 2T0 minus T0. 3 by 2 NR T0. Process BC is isobaric. Pressure is constant, so heat required is N Cp delta T, and Cp is 5R by 2 and delta T is 4 T0 minus 2 T0. This comes 5 NR T0. Process CD. Temperature decreases hence heat supplied is negative. Heat supply, there is no heat supplied is negative. Similarly, process DA, temperature decreases हम ये लिख सकते हैं नो हीट सप्लाई। तो टोटल हीट सप्लाई, टोटल अगर इसको Q2 से डिनोट करें, दैट विल बी डेल्टा Q इज इक्वल टू डेल्टा Q1 प्लस डेल्टा Q2। Q1 3/5 3/2 nRT dot plus 5 nRT dot is equal to 13/2 nRT dot. Total work done is area of this rectangle. Total work done delta W will be area of ABCD rectangle, 2P dot minus P dot into 2V dot minus V dot is equal to P dot V dot, and P dot V dot is equal to nRT dot. तो एफिशिएंसी होगी डेल्टा W वर्क achieved divided by heat supplied into 100. nR T dot by 13/2 nR T dot into 100, 2 into 100/13 or 200/13. This comes 15% approximate. तो एफिशिएंसी होगी वो दैट इज 15%. ए इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. ए Carnot engine takes 3000 calorie of heat from a reservoir at 627 degree centigrade, gives a part of it to the sink. The work done by the engine is. Heat Carnot engine takes delta Q1 is equal to 3000 calorie or kilocalorie 10 to the power 3 or 3 into 10 to the power 6 calorie. Temperature of reservoir is 627 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड और 273 ऐड कर दें तो कल 900 केल्विन, एंड टेम्परेचर ऑफ सिंक इज़ 27 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. 27 में 273 ऐड कर दिया 300 K. दिस इज ए रिजर्वायर. Sink and work done. Q1 energy is taken. This is Q1. Work is done and then it goes to sink. This is sink. Work and reservoir. तो एफिशिएंसी होती है, अगर हम एफिशिएंसी को डिनोट करें W बाई Q1, W is Q1 minus Q2 by Q1 or one minus Q2 by Q1 is equal to 1 minus T2 by T1. One minus T2 is 300 divided by 900, 1 minus 1 by 3 or 2 by 3. So W by Q1 is equal to 2 by 3, hence work done is 2 by 3 Q1. 2 by 3 into 3 into 10 to the power 6 calorie और 2 into 10 to the power 6 कैलोरी. इसको जूल में कन्वर्ट कर दें तो 4.2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें इंटू 4.2 जूल. 8.4 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 6 जूल. वर्क डन होगा 8.4 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 6 जूल. बी इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन. Question number 3. The efficiency of a Carnot engine at a particular source and sink temperature is 1 by 2. When the sink temperature is reduced by 100 degree centigrade, the engine efficiency becomes 2 by 3. Find the source temperature. 600 K, 300 K, 500 K or 250 K. Suppose source temperature in degree centigrade is T1 and sink temperature is T2 degree centigrade. So T1 is equal to T1 degree centigrade, T1 small t1 plus 273. This converts into Kelvin. Similarly, T2 is T2 plus 273 Kelvin. तो एफिशिएंसी होती है कार्नोट इंजन की W बाई Q1 इज इक्वल टू Q1 माइनस Q2 अपॉन Q1. अगर एक दिस इज सोर्स sink and this is work done. Q1 energy receipt, Q2 and this work is done W. Source, this is sink. Source temperature is T1, this is T2. So efficiency will be Q1 minus Q2 by Q1 is equal to 1 minus Q2 by Q1 is equal to 1 minus T2 by T1. Initially efficiency जो first condition है, efficiency is half 1 minus T2 by T1 or T2 by T1 is equal to 1 by half is equal to half or T2 is equal to T1 by 2. Question number 1. Second condition में 100 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड T2 को इंक्रीज कर दिया 100 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. तो T2 was T2 plus 273 केल्विन में. अब अगर T2 अब मैं इसको 100 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड इंक्रीज कर दिया तो T2 डैश विल बी T2 plus 100 T2 plus 100 और T2 plus 100 plus 273 or T2 plus 273 plus 100 Kelvin में, तो this will be T2 plus 100. अब efficiency is 1 minus T2 by T1 और जो चेंज एफिशिएंसी हो जाएगी n डैश इज 1 माइनस T2 डैश बाई T1, n डैश इज 2 by 3, 2 by 3 is 1 minus T2 plus 100 by T1 or 1 minus T2 by T1 minus 100 by T1. 1 minus T2 by T1 is half. Is reduced, तो रिड्यूस करेंगे तो माइनस का होगा, T2 माइनस एंड दिस इज माइनस माइनस T2 minus, this will be plus 1 minus T2 by T1 is half plus 100 by T1 or half plus 100 by T1 or 100 by T1 is equal to 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2, 6, 4 minus 3, 1 by 6. So T1 will be 100 into 6 is equal to 600 K. So source temperature, that is 600 K. A is correct option. Next, an ideal refrigerator runs between minus 20 degree centigrade and 27 degree centigrade. Find the heat rejected to the atmosphere for every joule of input. 0.17 joule, 1.0 joule, 6 joule and 2.1 joule. Like a refrigerator, this is atmosphere, this is work. This is refrigerator, atmosphere, work done on the refrigerator, work. Energy is taken from this Q2 and supplied to atmosphere Q1. Temperature of refrigerator is minus 23 degree centigrade और T2 अगर माइनस 20 केल्विन में कन्वर्ट कर दें 273 इज इक्वल टू 250 केल्विन. Atmospheric pressure is 27 degree centigrade. So T1 is 27 plus 273, 300 Kelvin. Work done, W is equal to Q1 minus Q2 or coefficient of performance alpha is Q2 by W or Q2 upon Q1 minus Q2 और 1 upon Q1 by Q2 minus 1 upon T1 upon T2 minus 1. तो Q2 by W is equal to 1 upon T1 by T2 minus 1. वैल्यूज़ पुट कर दें. T1 है 300 by 250 minus 1 और 1 by 6 by 5 minus 1 1 upon 5 6 minus 5 is equal to 1 upon 1 by 5 is equal to 5. Q2 is equal to 5 W. W is given 1 joule into 1 is equal to 5 joule. तो जो एनर्जी टेकन फ्रॉम रेफ्रिजरेटर इज Q2 and this is 5 joule और इनपुट वर्क W is 1. तो Q1 will be Q2 plus W 5 plus 1 6 joule. जो एटमॉस्फेयर को एनर्जी रिलीज होगी दैट इज 6 जूल. सी इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन.